Hello welcome guys, today in this video I'm going to show you how to open OctaFX in computer. So very easy. Firstly click on here official site octa.com. So click it. After click on trading platform. Click on desktop. Now download. After open, so guys, this is very simple and easy method if you want to open OctaFX in computer or laptop. Thank you for watching this video. Please like, share and subscribe my channel for latest update.